what's happening, y'all? You know what's up. It's your boy Keenan, and yes, we in 2021, baby. Yeah, 2020, the sequel. And I decided to do a little cook. Um, just a little something to throw together just to start off the new year. Uh, Glad everybody enjoyed the grocery store video I posted with my son, taking me on that international journey. And also thank you to the people that's been subscribing to my channel. Really appreciate that. Drop a comment, let your boy know what's happening, how y'all doing and all that, how you holding up. And hoping providing some info, tips out there that everybody's using. And we're going to continue to grow together. So, for my first cook for 2021 is at the stove, my favorite stove, Food for Less. And I ran across these. Check this out. Alright, so this is what I got. Some good old beef ribs. And, these are not the ones you see with that big, thick meat. They look like they shaved that off and then they sell us these in the store. Not saying I can get those, but these bad boys were at a good price. And it's good chunks of meat on there. These are pretty meaty. Pretty meaty right there. And I'm going to be introducing a new rub that I came up on from a man from Island Boy Spices. This is the Rock Roast Rub. Yeah, for roasts and briskets. And so that's beef. This is beef. This is going on this. And then this is going on the smoker. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open these up. We're going to get to season these jokers. Check this out. Alright, so I got these bad boys seasoned. Yeah, that little rub that's on point. I can't wait to see the wonders that it's going to work on on these beef ribs. Pretty nice, good cut of beef ribs. I did take some of the membrane off, well, enough of it to where it'd be palatable, where it wouldn't bother me when I'm eating. And those who know, the beef membrane on some ribs is a lot more different to take off than some pork ribs. So you can leave it on. I think some people do, but I try to get some of it off, at least that thin leathery layer that's on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and let these bad boys marinate, let them hang out, let them soak up that good seasoning, that Island Boy Spices. Straight Rock Roast Rub. And my man was gracious enough to let me know what rubs that he have that do not contain rosemary. So I'm real grateful for that, because I'm deadly allergic to rosemary. So yeah, much love for that, my man. Alright, so let's let these bad boys hang out. I'm gonna go get my pit ready. Back in a minute. Alright, so got my pit ready. We got it smoking. Got them ribs. Let them sit out for about an hour or so. Let them just come to room temp and soak up that seasoning. That Island Boy Spices Rock Roast. Yeah. Alright, so let's get these bad boys on smoke. Alright, hour. Oh, sucky. Let's get a little close up on that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is looking good. Looking at my water pan down there. That's just a bunch of leftover like parsley and some green onion. I think it was like a cilantro. Then I threw an apple and an orange in that bad boy, and just filled it up with some water. But look at that, man. That's an hour in. That bad boy's got a nice color on them. I don't see too many bone pulling back, but I'm gonna go ahead and let these bad boys roll. I'll be back in about 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours. I got these bad boys pulled. They're looking good, smelling good. I pulled them because it started pulling back from the meat started pulling back from the bone, and I like the color, and I think I got enough smoke on there. Did a nice kind of little hot and fast method. You know, it's only been like I said, 2 hours, and I got good color, good smoke in there, and I know it's gonna be a nice smoke ring. So what I'm gonna do now is, like my previous videos, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these bad boys with a little butter, and I'm gonna use brown sugar this time instead of dark corn syrup, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more of this Island Boy Spices rock roast rub, but it's rocking. I'm trying to tell you, your boy got a little bit of, if you see in there, incorporates coffee as a special ingredient, and you smell it. It smells real good. My man be putting together some nice spices, and this is just something I like to keep in my repertoire. Alright, so I'm going to get these bad boys wrapped up, and then we're going to put them to sleep for another couple hours, and we're going to be back eating. As you can see, I got these bad boys wrapped and ready to be put to sleep. Yeah. I'm not going to bother to put one down there. I'm just going to stack them on top of each other. When you get to this point, it's just too much of a hassle to go through all that. And so I'll just stack them on here. My lid fit right on this bad boy. I'm just going to say I really love this damn smoker. This was a housewarming gift. I think I mentioned it in my first video from Pops. And I didn't know how to use it at first. And I gave up on it. And then I said, forget that. I'm doing some research. And now I got a YouTube channel. So that just lets you know how things progress, and when you focus, you can get some shit done. Alright, so see what I mean? Look at that. Lay it fit right on there. Ain't no problem, ain't nothing rubbing. I'm gonna let these bad boys go for about another 2 hours, hour and a half, and we're gonna be back with a bite, like I said. Alright, back in a minute. Alright, so let's cut these bad boys open. Woo. Island Boy Spices rock roast right there, man. And that smells good. Man, look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that ring. That is hot. That is hot. But as you can see, your boy got a smoke ring, and that came off with ease. Let's get a little taste. Oh yeah. That's a good rub. That's a good rub right there. Oh. Look at that. Look how deep that smoke got in there. A little hot and fast method. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, that's good. I've seen these at the store, and I just grabbed them. I'm like, I'm gonna use some of that Island Boy Spices on here. And man, that's just going straight through. Look at that. It's real hot, so I'm not trying to burn myself. But as you can see, we Flintstone it. Look at that. Fall off the bone. Off the bone. see that smoke ring up in there? That is pretty amazing. Boy, that bone is hot. Okay, well, let's fall off the bone. Straight up, just fall off the bone tender. And I'm going to let this cool down so I can really get into it. But as you can see, I definitely got penetration of that smoke. Seasoning definitely set off the beef. And look at that fat is broken down. You can eat that. It's not all gristly and thick in your mouth. That's just going to melt with your bite. With the hot of your breath, it's just going to melt. And then we got this bone right here. Yo. That is on point. That is on point. Them ribs, that came out amazing. Let me grab me a napkin here. I'm definitely let these cool down. I don't know what everybody else gonna eat. Nah, I'm joking. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and this is just a little snack. And we're gonna definitely munch out on these. Island Boy Spices. Rock roast rub. This is amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, thank you. This is amazing. Real good rub. I can't wait to use it on some other cuts. But it definitely do some justice, and I can see it being used in like a beef stew or something like that. Something, you know, nice and hearty with some beef. Yeah. All right. Check this out. It's your boy Keenan. Don't forget to check me out on YouTube for the rest of my videos. Like and subscribe. Appreciate everybody subscribing. Everybody be cool out there. Be safe. Be normal. Wash your hands.